time now for a check-in on the weather. Meteorologist Josh Nichols tracking your 7 weather forecast, which has just been all over the place, Josh.
Yeah, highly variable and highly volatile. That's how I described this last night. That's kind of how it played out here for the day today. Some of us really seeing some strong wind damage, especially south of Buffalo. Others of us just dealing with rain and rumbles and stiff winds off Lake Erie. Everyone gets colder for tonight. In fact, the showers that we're dealing with right now ultimately turn to a few snowflakes. I wouldn't be shocked to see a little accumulation in ski country as we go into Sunday. Definitely the better of the 2 weekend days. A little cleanup into the southern tier. Everyone from Hilltop to Lakeshore brilliantly sunny, but it will be on the brisk side. And if we look ahead to next week, it's not going to be bad by early spring standards here in western New York. Might even have a shot at 70 degrees. 64 miles per hour. That's the top gust that I could find in Delavan. Dalton had a gust to 62 miles per hour. Multiple reports of wind damage again into Cattaraugus County, Allegheny County, at least parts of Allegheny County. Our peak gust in Buffalo, 56 miles per hour. And we still have the rain to deal with right now, but tomorrow it's wall-to-wall sunshine. It's going to be a really bright, brilliant day because the air is going to be so dry, but again, cool by our standards for early April. Each one of these little dots is a report of storm damage or a wind gust. The ones in blue, the wind gusts. Every one of these is a wind damage report in Springville. Trees down on wires, and many of these other spots reporting similar kinds of situations. As far as the wind gusts are concerned, over the next 12 hours or so, you see the trend is our friend as the wind gradually diminishes, so much so that we're barely left with a breeze by tomorrow morning. But temperatures taking that huge tumble. We were into the upper 60s to near 70 today. By tonight, just shy of midnight, most of us are below freezing. And tomorrow morning, we're starting out in the teens into the southern tier. So whenever there's warmth, there's usually wind this time of year. No exceptions to that. We have those wind advisories and TANs still in play for the southern tier. The system's out of here. Next one tracks to the north. It's much, much weaker, and it will allow us to get into a milder flow as we go into Monday. But the winds will kick up again on Monday just a little bit. Could get some gusts to 40 miles per hour. There's the next system to come in. It comes in largely with some showers on Tuesday. Hopefully we can get them out of here in time for the home opener at Salem. As far as snowfall is concerned, maybe a scant ½ inch to an inch. You can see Skywatch 7 is rattling in the breeze that is howling out of the west. 43 right now with light rain. That rain coming in right off the lake. Big contrast in temperature here from the coast up to the north. And that cold air has its sights set on western New York. There's the next round of showers. This is the thunderstorms that came on through earlier. But that rain is getting us right now. It'll rain for another couple more hours. And then the transition to some flakes flying later tonight. Tomorrow morning, dawn's cold, but at least we'll have the sunshine to enjoy. So again, for tonight, showers go to flakes. It's blustery, much colder after being near 60, the low 23. Tomorrow, brilliantly sunny, cool breezes, your high temperature near 40. There's the Super 7-day forecast. More changes in the temperature department, back into the mid-50s on Monday, breezy, milder. Showers early Tuesday, hopefully before the game. Wednesday, upper 60s, maybe a couple of scattered thunderstorms, but that'll be a nice treat. System comes through, it gets colder for the end of the week. And the scorecard weather continues. You need a scorecard to keep up with all the changes.
You know, I'm trying to be positive, right? It's not the spring I was expecting, but at least it's exciting, you know, keeping us on our toes.
Keeping me on my toes.
Well, they say like April showers are a good thing if that showers come with Sabre victories. Yeah. I think that's how the saying goes.
That's what they've been saying for years.
I think so, right? Okay.